Welcome to my review of the Epson EcoTank ET-M2120. This is a wireless printer that prints from a very economical refillable EcoTank, and it prints just in monochrome, so black and white. It's really targeted towards being a business oriented printer. It's going to save you a lot of money on ink. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this review with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. So inside the box you get the printer itself. You also get a power cable, and that'll be specific to your country. And you get this pack here, which has got some instructions in, also a software disk as well. All of the software and drivers etc. are available for download anyway. This is just sort of a quick start guide to guide you around the printer and to get you up and running. We also of course get some ink, and as I mentioned earlier, this doesn't use traditional cartridges. This uses the EcoTank inks. This one is the 111 BK. Very economical to purchase this, and you simply fill up the internal tank and then refill it when you need to. And this should give you approximately, just from one bottle, so from the ink included, approximately 5,000 A4 pages. That is absolutely fantastic. So very economical to run. It's also a 3-in-1 printer, so we have got the printing capability. Also you can use it as a copier, so you can put an original on the top glass there and copy it like a photocopier. And indeed you can use it as a scanner as well, so you can scan documents in from this to your computer. It's also very high resolution, so that scanning capability, for example, is up to 1200 dpi. Print speed is around 15 pages per minute. Also we've got Wi-Fi on here, so I'm currently connected via Wi-Fi. I'll show you page printing very shortly. You can also do Wi-Fi direct. The difference being Wi-Fi direct is a sort of a connection between one device and the printer. Wi-Fi, you connect this to your router wirelessly, and then it's available to other devices in your household or business. At the bottom here we've got a paper tray. This will accommodate up to 150 sheets. There's also an exit tray at the bottom, so you can pull this out to catch the prints as they come out. And before I show you the printer in action, I will just mention, apart from printing from a computer, you have got mobile printing support as well. If I just lift this whole top section up, I'll give you a very quick look. Inside here is where the tank is, so this is where you're going to fill up via those bottles. And around the back we have got an input for obviously the power cable and also USB as well. No USB cable inside the box, so I'm using this just set up wirelessly. So here you can see a close-up of the control panel and the menu system. This isn't touchscreen, you control it via these buttons here. We've got the main power button, we've got a home button which will take you back to the sort of home screen. We've got up, down, left and right, OK, back. We've also got some print and action buttons here as well. So you can see in this little display here, we're currently on copy, so that will allow you to do a copy of whatever you place on the top bed here. If we go across, we have got a quiet mode. We've also got the main settings. We've got a maintenance option. We've got the Wi-Fi setup. We've got the scanning option, and then background to copy. You can obviously, in any mode that it's in, it will still act just as a generic printer. You don't have to set it into like a dedicated print mode. And at any stage, so for example, if we go into settings, and you can see here the settings, we've got maintenance, printer setup, network settings, print counter, reports, a restore and firmware update. At any stage, if you just want to go back to the home, you just push the home button. So now let's have a look at this actually running. I've got a document set up on my laptop. I'm going to send it wirelessly to the printer, and this is going to print out really nice and quickly in monochrome. I'm going to pull the exit tray out so it will capture the printout. Very quick, as you can see. And just look at the speed of that and the quality of the printout as well. We have got nice crisp text a really good rendition of the photo or the graphic that's on the page as well. It does look very, very good indeed. So nice and fast to print something like that out. So now that that's printed out, let's take a look at the copy function. So we can lift the cover up on the top, and for ease we will just place what we've printed out onto the scanner bed. Now we could be scanning this in, as I mentioned earlier, to a computer. We're just going to do a copy of it. We're going to tap the OK button. We can set the number of copies. We can also go into print settings as well, but we're going to take that as the settings that we want, and then we can just press the copy button. So this will now scan from the scanner bed and it will copy that page. As simple as that. So we can use this as a scanner, a copier, or indeed a printer. Very, very economical to run, great quality printouts. I think this is a fantastic choice if all you're going to be doing is printing business documents, things like invoices which don't need colour on. It is just a great money saver. And as I mentioned right at the beginning of this video, when it runs out of ink, you just top up from the bottle supplied. And when the bottle runs out, obviously these are nice and economical to purchase another bottle. You can keep an eye on your ink levels through this window here. It's just super, super easy to use. This is the Epson EcoTank ET-M2120. I can highly recommend it. If you want to purchase one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.